But no! Oh, I'll get myself next year. Get out of here.
In the brand new iCarly movie, iPsycho, things get crazy. But before iPsycho premieres, get psyched with a whole week of outrageous iCarlys picked by you. Go to nick.com/iCarly now and vote for the episodes you think bring the crazy. Then be here all next week to see if your picks end up on TV. A week of the craziest iCarlys starts Tuesday at 5, only on Nick.